Hey gamers! Ever faced the frustration of Xbox Game Pass games not installing from the Xbox Game app on Windows 11? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll tackle the issue head-on and get you back into the gaming action. Right-click on your Windows Start button. It's the heartbeat of this fix. Click on Settings. We're diving into the core of your system. Navigate to System. It's where the magic happens. Click on Troubleshoot. We're getting closer to the solution. Select Other Troubleshooters. It's like unleashing the troubleshooter army. Hit Run. Let the system do its thing. And finally, click Close when it's done. That's it. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for CMD in your Windows search bar. Right-click on CMD and run it as administrator. It's time to elevate those permissions. When prompted, click Yes. We're diving into the command line. Copy and paste netstop bits using Ctrl+V, then press Enter. Repeat for netstop wuauserv. Repeat for netstop appidsvc. Type Y and press Enter when prompted. Copy and paste netstart bits. Copy and paste netstart wuauserv. Copy and paste netstart appidsvc. Copy and paste netstart cryptsvc. Type Exit and press Enter to close the command prompt. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Search for CMD in your Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Don't forget to hit Yes when prompted. Now, grab the command sfc/scannow from the video description, paste it here using Ctrl+V, and hit Enter. Wait for the process to complete. Once done, it's time for the next step. Copy the command DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth from the video description, paste it here using Ctrl+V, and press Enter. Again, wait patiently for the process to complete. When it's done, we're on to the final step. Right-click on the Windows Start button and hit Restart to give your system a fresh start. And there you have it, a simple guide to troubleshoot and refresh your system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.